War day number 980 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome back with the third puzzle, a binary puzzle in the regular puzzle. Yeah, in today's newspaper on Wednesday, October the 30th, 2024, and I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku, so one puzzle is left, the binary puzzle. And in today's newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now I will solve this binary puzzle number 9505. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 28 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. By the way, the last binary puzzle, 10 by 10, I overlooked one column, I believe the 7th column, and the last column, we have identical numbers, identical columns, not allowed. So the last binary puzzle, 10 by 10, is an incorrect solution. Apologies, but I've mentioned and leave there my comments. So let's get started with this one. Let me start with the double O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Then I need to think. 1, 2, 3. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If we place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And an O between the 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So those 2 boxes should be an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need to compare. Do I need to compare the rows or the columns? Well, Let me see, double ones here. And here double ones. Do we have a double ones here? Double ones. Nope. Yeah. How about the double O's? Double O's here. Double ones. Double O's, double ones. Okay, here. Then O, 1 O. Yeah. Yeah. This last row. And I believe this one. Let me compare. Empty box. 1 1 O O O O 1 1 1 1 O O 1 1 O O empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. Otherwise, if I switch those, if I place a 1 here and here an O, then we have identical columns. Not allowed, one of the rules. Between two O's comes in 1, and between two 1's comes in O. Finished. 6 minutes. Wow. We solve it again with one-time comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.